Hi there, I am here to help you learn spoken English. It's my earnest desire to make you fluent and confident in English language speaking. Let's talk today about silent letter E. I have written a few words on this board where E is silent or E will be pronounced differently. Let's see one by one. EWE. What it is written, we do not pronounce. We pronounce it differently. It is U. A female sheep. Europe. Eulogy. A speech given after the demise of someone in their praise, that is called eulogy. Eugenics. See, I have underlined E that won't be pronounced or pronounced differently. We have here EWE. U, a female sheep. Europe. Eulogy. Eugenics. Different. Interest. Camera. Every. Vegetable. General. Separate. We will not pronounce this H and E. Vehicle. Make. Take. Fake. Feign. Name. Gain. Shame. Same. We have here these all words which has ED. In this word, ED will be pronounced as D only. This E will be dropped. But here, this ED will be dropped as T. This ED will be pronounced as T. Right? See. Loved. Jumped. Kicked. Rushed. Danced. Do you observe something? Here we have here V. We pronounced D as a D itself. But here we have P, CK, SH, C. When we have these all letters, after these letters, when ED comes, ED will be pronounced as jumped, kicked, rushed, danced. This is all about silent letter E. If you find this video fruitful, please like it. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, and if you have not followed me on Facebook, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page so that you will get notified time to time. It is my earnest request that you should share this video among your friends, among your neighbors, among your relatives, among your nearest and dearest ones, so that they will also get benefited. I hope you are learning gradually. Thank you. Happy learning.